Hi there, Kelly Parks here of Comwater's Cloud Accounting and Cloud Accounting Resources. Today, I want to show you a trick in QuickBooks Online that I absolutely love, and that is advancing date fields, not using your mouse. No mousing around. You can do it straight from your keyboard, and you don't even have to hit Control something. It is simply executed by hitting one key on your keyboard. And it looks like this. You go into the date range field, and let's say you want to get to the beginning of a year. You would hit the Y button because the Y is the first letter of the word year. Now I want to get to the end of that year. I would hit R because that is the last letter. Now I want to keep going back through. So I'm just going to keep hitting R, the last letter of the word year. I'm going to keep hitting it until I get to where I want to go. One of the other ones that I love is if you hit T for today, it takes you through to today's date. Then if you want to scroll back through a few weeks, you would hit W, first letter of the word week. So we're just going to keep going through the weeks, and that'll take us there. And if we want to get scrolling the other way through weeks, we would hit K, the last letter. And then there is month. This is the one that I use all the time, and I just keep hitting, and it will take me back through the various months. And if I want to go the other direction and advance to next month's, I would keep hitting H because that is the last letter of the month. I know this is a feature that a lot of pro advisors use and love, but if I help only a few of you discover this fun little keyboard shortcut, then I'm going to be a happy gal. Again, I'm Kelly Parks of Comwater's Cloud Accounting, and thanks for listening.